Okay, I'm going to go through this exercise 9C with you here. So first of all, x has to move up. You've got your wee integral limits. Now you can integrate, add 1, divide by it. So tidying this up, it's minus 4 over x. X goes down to the bottom. So sub in your 4. So it's minus 4 over 4. Take away, sub in your 1. So first bracket is minus 1. Take away minus 4. So it's minus 1 plus 4, which is 3. Number 2. 1, 2. 2 over x to the 5. So you must bring that up as minus 5. And your wee integral limits. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. You can put your plus c in, that doesn't matter. I would tidy this up, so it's minus a half, x can go back in the bottom, plus c. Now, sub in 2. So if you sub in 2, 2 to the 4, 16 times 2. So it's minus 1 over 32 plus c. Sub in 1, you get minus a half plus c. So it's minus 1 over 32. So just putting that through the calculator. So minus, just using the fraction button, 1 over 32. That becomes add a half. Gives you 15 over 32 and the c's cancel off. Number 3, 1, 3, 3 over 5 x squared dx. Move your x up, and it's just the x you're moving up. dx. 1, 3. Now I'm fit to integrate. 3 over 5, add 1, divide by it. 3, 1. Tidy that up, so it's minus number, and your letter can go back in the bottom, the minus 1. Now I'm going to sub in my 3. So it's minus 3 over 15. Take away, putting in 1. Minus 3 over 5. So just straight to your calculators. Minus, that's a fifth. And that becomes plus 3 over 5. So it gives you 2/5 in total. Question 4. Integral of 1, 2, 3 over 5 x4 dx. Bring up your x4, so it's 1, 2, 3/5 x to the minus 4 dx. Now you integrate, so you add 1 to the power, divide by it, your integral signs in there. Tidy this up, so it's minus, do the sign first into the numbers, 3 3's cancel, leaving you a fifth, x minus 3 pops back in the bottom. Square bracket still being used. Sub in your 2, so it's minus a fifth, 2 cubed is 8. Take away, subbing in 1, minus a fifth. So I have got minus 1 over 40 plus 1/5. Now, I have naturally gone into different shaped brackets. Instead of using round brackets there, what I'm doing is these curly brackets. Just like that, either or. So curly brackets or round brackets, it doesn't make any difference. Just sort of naturally into that for some reason there. Number 5, 2, 4, x squared plus 3 minus 2 over x3 dx. You must have that dx in. I can't integrate at the minute because of this 3 for x3, so bring it up as a minus 3. Right, this is where you could make a mistake. You could forget to take your wee limits over. So make sure you do that. Now I'm going to integrate, so it's square brackets. Add 1, divide by it. Remember, if you've got a number, the x reappears. Add 1, divide by it. You can put your c in or leave it off, it doesn't matter. Tidy up. So x3, you notice the way I'm very religious and use my square brackets until I'm subbing in my numbers. So it's always square brackets at this stage. Plus 2 over 2 is 1. x2 in the bottom row. So always square brackets to there. Now I'm going to sub in my 4. Either you can use the curly brackets or the round ones, it doesn't matter. So 4 cubed is 64 over 3. plus 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 squared plus c. Take away. Subbing in 2 now. 2 cubed, 3 times 2, 2 squared plus c. So I'm going to tidy up the first bracket. I'll just show you how I use the calculator for that, just in case you're not familiar with the fraction button. 64 fraction 3, I move the arrow across, plus 12, plus fraction button, 1 over 16. I'm just using this here to navigate across and press equals. So I have 1603 over 48 plus c. Take away. So it's 8 over 3, move that across, plus 6, plus a quarter. I'll just put that in as 0.25. So it's 107 over 12 plus c. So I have fraction 1603 over 48 minus my answer. Now I wouldn't leave my answer like that. I would write it as a fraction by the SD button, or decimal, 24.5. And the c's cancelled off as I would expect.